Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings. We will begin with removing the account. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and find users and accounts and go to Google. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account to confirm, and as you can see it will actually immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got the screen lock you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. So that was quite easy, and adding the account is even easier. You can do it using the Google section or again users and accounts. Tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.